Hey entrepreneurs, it's Sam Day here from DeyTips.com, and in this video I'm going to be teaching you how you can actually add the Facebook pixel to your Squarespace website. So if you are a Squarespace website owner and you plan on running Facebook and or Instagram ads, it's really important for you to effectively install the Facebook pixel onto your Squarespace site so you know exactly what is happening to the traffic that is coming to your website through your Facebook efforts. So you don't want to be spending money on Facebook ads and you don't know whether or not it's working for you. You don't know how to make improvements. You don't know where your conversions are coming from. And there's no way of you to improve or to see if your Facebook ads are actually effective. Now, I will be doing further videos in the future about, Facebook ads in general and how you can actually improve your Facebook ads overall. So make sure you're subscribed to this channel and click that bell notification button as well so you don't miss when those videos go live. But first and foremost, I'm going to be speaking about how you can find the Facebook pixel within your Facebook Ads Manager. So as you can see, I'm logged into Facebook Ads Manager at the moment, and you want to come over here to Business Tools, click on that, and then go to Events Manager. So in Events Manager, you should be able to find your Facebook pixel code underneath where it says Add Events. If I click that downward button, then you can see here it says from a new website. So add this pixel to a new website to start sending events to it. If you click on that, it gives you two options. You can add the pixel code manually, or you can connect to your site using third parties. And as you can see, Squarespace is a third party, so you can do it that way. But I'm going to show you how to install the code manually. So if you copy the code that it gives you here, you then want to go back to your Squarespace website, and then you want to go into your settings. So come down to your settings and then go to your advanced settings, and then you want to find where it says code injection. Now here you can actually install your code underneath the header section, paste it in there, and make sure you save these changes, and that should add the Facebook code to it. So that's the way in which you can actually add the Facebook code to your site. You can also do it through the Facebook pixel ID as well. So if you go back into your Facebook Ads Manager where we got our code from originally, you should find your Facebook pixel ID. So you can actually copy that, go into Squarespace, go into marketing, and you can go into Facebook pixel and ads, and you can actually paste the ad code in here as well. As you can see, it says it looks like you already have a Facebook pixel injected in custom code. So, I don't need to do both. I just need to do the first one. But once you have actually installed the code, you can actually check that the code is working as well. So as you can see, I'm actually now using a Chrome browser. And the reason why is because I've got this extension installed, which is the Facebook Pixel Helper. Now this is completely free. You can Google for the Facebook Pixel Helper, but I'll also leave a link to it as well. It's completely free to install this onto your Chrome web browser. And basically when you install it, you will see, you should see some numbers here. Now this is saying 1 because it can actually determine that the Facebook code is installed on this particular page that I'm looking at. So once you've installed the Facebook pixel code on your Squarespace website and your website is published, you want to then make sure you visit your web page on Chrome and use the Facebook Pixel Helper to determine whether or not the Pixel Helper can actually find your pixel code on that page. So as you can see, it's found the pixel code on this test page that I'm looking at here. And then when you actually click this downward button as well, it will show you any custom conversions that it has detected as well that you might have created on your website as well. Now, I haven't gone into custom conversions in this particular video because I want to keep this video pretty simple, but I will be putting out more videos on Facebook ads and creating custom conversions and so on and so forth for your Squarespace Facebook ad campaigns. So make sure you are subscribed to this YouTube channel if you haven't already, so you don't miss when those videos go live. But I also have the formula guides, which is the free guide to generating leads and sales online. So if you're struggling with your Facebook ads or any other aspect of your online marketing, make sure you download it. It's completely free. As you can see, there's a copy beside me, and I'll also leave a link to it in the description down below and somewhere on this screen. So go and grab your free copy and help improve your online sales. But I really do hope that this video helped you out in some way, shape or form. If you have any questions as it pertains to installing the Facebook pixel on your Squarespace website, if you have any problems, then feel free to reach out to me in the comments section and I'll do my best to answer your questions. But if you have found this video helpful, then please click the like button down below and make sure you share this video with a friend. If you have any additional questions or comments, then leave them for me in the comments section. But until next time, watch some of my other great videos. Make sure you subscribe to this channel for more awesome business related content. Have a great day. Make sure you download the formula and I will see you soon.